Species database is a small database application that enables you to hold information about the species that you know and that you work with. The reason being that it's often difficult to pull from your memory the name of a species that solves a particular landscape problem. So you scroll through the records that you enter into the database, you do the categorizing, you create codes, you categorize them under size and so on, the conditions that they grow, because this is information that you need and this is the information your clients pay you to impart into your landscape design work. So you can obviously search. For example, if you wanted to find those species that you might use for, say, erosion control, we'll tick erosion control and tick that little box there, and we'll say find. And the database whips through and finds those records of species that I use in my practice for erosion control. We'll close from there and return to the edit view. So there's lots of information being stored about each individual species. Not only species information can be stored, but you can store information on what I've called hard space. You can scroll through and you've got examples of paving. You might want to take your computer with you and show clients these examples of this type of work. You can also store information on CAD designs that you've got. You might want to lift off part of a design and put it into a new design, and this is a way of categorizing your store of design work. You may well have developed blocks that you stamp into drawings, and you might want to keep those neatly filed away. More often and more usefully, I'd suggest, you want to throw notes into computer-aided design drawings, so the database gives you the ability to store notes, and you can just copy and paste those into any sort of CAD package. So the ability to, in fact, import data that's come from your landscape design work, tag species in here, and then produce a PDF file with the image and the data around each species that you've used, and then just send that to the client, is, I think, an important aspect of any landscaper's personal plant database. So we hope that gives you a quick overview of the way SppDb works.